Happy birthday!
What's up, fam? We're back with another video, and we are currently headed to do a little surprise. Right now, I got John with me. I got Cecilia, Nicole, and Pon in the truck in front of us. If you're watching this,
What do you mean if he is? You know he's gonna watch it.
You didn't let me finish.
You said you're gonna watch it.
If you're watching this either on your birthday or after your birthday, happy birthday to you. And remember to like, share, and subscribe because it does mean a lot. And I hope you enjoy the video. And right now we are currently going to grab a trailer. We're going back to Wild Motorcycles. I didn't upload the video of us going there the first time, but we went to Wild Motorcycles with Brooks, checked out some bikes, and we're currently going back over there. I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. That's it? Oh, that is it.
Oh, this is it.
Oh, it is it.
That's the code.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap. God dang. 2012 CBR 1000 RR. 2012.
20th anniversary edition.
Yeah, 20th anniversary edition. Heck yeah.
This is S1000 right here.
Where?
Right here.
No way. Wait. I want to sit on this. I never sat on it. S1000.
Oh, it's a 2017.
For real?
Yeah. Damn. This boost is bad. Look at this. Now this is the big part that I need you to make sure he knows, okay? General maintenance of the bike, number one is going to be tires. So if he's riding regularly, tell him to check the tire pressure about once a week. If he's not riding regularly, tell him to check it every time before he goes out. Next up, about every 300 to 500 miles, we want to check that chain tension and do a chain service. And then every 3,000, we're going to do an oil and filter on this bike. To check the oil on this bike, you've got a dipstick right here. Easiest way to do it is to unscrew it. Well, these are yours for now. Hold on to those. Whenever he's in trouble, just take them.
I'm gonna have to lock this footage away for about 30 days. But yeah, the kill switch can be on and it can still start. But it'll drain the battery if you do that, so don't do that. That's strange.
That's weird.
That's weird. Like, I've never seen that before. That thing sounds good. Oh, gosh. That sounds good. Putting the beats in the trailer.
Yeah. Way later, but
exactly. If you're seeing this on your birthday or after, happy birthday to you.
You have no idea.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's again this damn thing.
What is today? Today is the 10th of April. So this is when we're filming this. So yeah. Oh. Heck yeah. Hibernation for 3 weeks.
Yep. Ever, I'm sure.
Oh, Courtney, you see what just happened?
Heck yeah.
So we did this
Happy
for you.
birthday to you, mate.
Happy birthday, bro.